Alright, this is my DMC2 build. This is a kit build, so it came in a bunch of pieces and I had to put it together. I've got it this far and I've been having trouble with my steps, I guess you would say. So I'll just tell you what I've got right now and then I'll go back to how I got to that point. Okay, so got my block set up, my vernier on there. It's minus 140 millimeters. And that is because, so I put a request in here, G0X140, so I requested 140 millimeter move. I actually got 140 millimeter move, but my X is reading 139.9951. I realize that is very close, but I'm thinking that that number, 139.99, should be actually registering 140. That's the actual move. And that's the actual move. I've verified this a number of times with this block setup. So what I do is I move this over, butt it up against it, travel the motor into it, take out any sort of backlash that could be there, and then run it with the code, with the input code. That's what I've been getting. So I've got my steps set up. I can show you that here. And the way I did that, I went up into the settings tab and then I used this here, axis calibration, set steps per unit. So I did that, set up the X, say how far do you want to move it. I set this one up for I believe 140, and it wasn't quite there. So you type in what you actually got and then it does the calculation for you. I can show you that here in the motor tuning. So here on the x-axis, motor tuning, that's my actual steps. 199.78, bunch of numbers, right? So I did that for all the axis. And Y is just a little bit over 200. Z is slightly over 200 as well. X was the only one that had to go, it was traveling a little bit too far. Okay, so I've got all that, but my problem still is getting that number to display what actually is moving on the machine right here. If anybody can help me out with that, it'd be fantastic. Thank you very much.